How to set a background image on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add a custom photo as your chat wallpaper. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device and open any chat you want to change the background for. After that, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the chat. From there, tap on Chat Theme to open the customization options. At this point, under the Customize section, tap on Wallpaper to open the wallpaper settings. In the next step, you'll see all the built-in wallpapers provided by WhatsApp. Browse through and tap any one to preview it. Following this, if you'd rather use your own photo, tap on Choose from Gallery at the top and select any image from your device. Once done, adjust the image by pinching or dragging until it looks exactly how you want it in the preview. From here, if you want a plain solid color background instead, tap on Set Color and pick whichever color suits you. At this stage, you also have the option to tap Create with AI at the bottom to generate a completely unique wallpaper using artificial intelligence. Finally, once you're happy with your selection, tap Apply, and your new background will be set for that chat right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you set a background image on WhatsApp on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.